وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
Earlier I met someone who was ill. The dua for them is important, but more so the mindset of the person needs to be correct. I thank Allah for whatever else He's given me. I thank Him for the chance He's given me to be with so and so. We've had someone who was widowed a few days ago. They spent 20 years with their husband, and sometime now it is up to us to look at the 20 years I spent with my husband. I thank Allah for it. But you know what? I'm only 50 years old, which means I'm married at 30. And at 50, I'm already widowed. Subhanallah. Thank Allah. You had 20 years with a marvelous human being. You had 20 years amazing. Yes, it's difficult. Yes, it is tough. Yes, it's normal to cry. Yes, you will shed tears. Yes, you will miss them. Yes, you will pray for them. Yes, you may do a sadaqah jariyah on their behalf, a charity and whatever else. But you will still thank Allah for giving you that opportunity. Subhanallah. There was a lot of goodness that came out of it. Part of your journey to Jannah was with that person perhaps. Maybe your things in your life changed because of all of that. Thank Allah. Look at the positives. Thank Allah Almighty for what He has blessed you with. Like I said, that is a stepping stone towards the rest of your relationship with Allah. When Allah's made you a certain way, be thankful. Subhanallah.